Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you are thinking about purchasing cryptocurrencies on trading 212 but you aren't sure where to start, you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you the complete process from funding your account to placing your very first crypto trade. So first of all, you need to simply launch your trading 212 application and then sign in into your account. Now over here you are going to see the account that you are currently using. As you can see, I'm currently using the invest account. So you need to tap on this drop down menu and over here you need to come on this particular page. Now over here you need to first of all open a crypto account. If you haven't already, you need to just simply tap on the option of crypto account and then follow further instructions in order to enable cryptocurrencies inside it. Now once you are inside your crypto account, you just have to simply use the search bar here in the middle and then you just have to look for the option of cryptocurrencies. So over here you can search for any of the cryptocurrencies of your choice. For example, you can search for Bitcoin. Now when you are able to find Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies over here in the search results, you just have to simply just tap on that and then you can tap on the option of buy in order to basically purchase that cryptocurrency. Now if the crypto option is not available in this particular section, it means that for your current account you can't actually open this account. So in that case you just have to meet certain eligibility criteria in order to basically get access to this particular account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.